I want to see this plant.
Okay. Olive, oh, what are you doing? Where are you going? We got to get you some Dopey toys.
Stay.
She's got her pamper on.
Let me see some of this. Oh, right
Okay.
here. I'll do things.
We're at Burlington getting some pillows and maybe some, furniture. It's okay, Olive. Don't show Oliver. Oh yeah, they've got the plants.
Yeah. Stay.
Get Unbelievable. Olive.
Okay. Oh, there's
What are you doing?
stove right here.
Because she likes it.
But then again, you're not going to put in your car.
Oh, yeah.
So that's what I see. I see if I can send
Oh, nice. Look at that one, Mom.
They are nice.
No, they'd fit in the back seat. Look at Mom. Those are like planter boxes.
$40? Yeah, I like that one.
Yeah.
There's just certain things that I like. But I still have some in
You
here.
have to ask Olive.
How much is it?